Hey guys, it's the Clumsy Panda here, and I'm back at it again with another video. I'm finally back from vacation. It's been a while, but I got a ton of squishies while I was on vacation. So, yeah, let's just get started. So the first squishy that I got was this Rilakkuma cake roll, and I think it is a replica, and it looks more like Rilakkuma to me. I don't know, it might just be like a bear cake roll, but yeah. So it is a bit defected. Well, actually, it's a lot defected, but it got defected really easily, so yeah. So the next squishy I have is this pineapple squishy, and it's pretty squishy, and yeah. So here it is out of packaging, and it's pretty squishy, and yeah. But I really like it, and it has a little thing there, but whatever. So the next squishy I have is this strawberry squishy, and it's another fruit squishy. I got a pineapple and a strawberry. But I like it, and I think it's pretty cute, but it also smells pretty good. It smells kind of sweet. Yeah. So the next squishy I have is the seal sushi, and it's pretty funny, but it's actually really slow rising. So, yep. And yeah. So the next squishy I have looks really similar to that seal sushi, and it is this onigiri. And it's also really squishy. And also, this sushi and this onigiri have like this really good but they smell like some scented soap. They smell really good. But yeah. So the next thing I got is this soft and slow chocolate cake roll from Five Below. And yeah. So I also got this Gudetama replica thing. It's just sitting in an egg yolk, but it was really cheap. And if you're wondering, I got most of these at the Pacific Mall. But yeah, it's not overly slow rising, and it does have some rips in the back. But yeah. So the next squishy I have, which is my favorite, is this penguin, and I think it's the KSI one. It comes in this weird packaging, but it says it's product of this, but I don't know. I think it might be a replica. And it does have some rips up on the top, but it's like really, really squishy. So, yeah. I really like it a lot, but it's really cute, and yeah. Next squishy I have is this ice cream squishy, and it's like super soft. It's like one of the most softest squishies I have, and yeah. And it also feels really nice, and it has an air bubble there and there, but that's okay. And it's also pretty slow rising. So the next squishy I got is this yellow taiyaki fish, and it has another thingy there. It's like when the paint has an extra layer, but then when you peel it off, it's with white on it, but yeah. And this one isn't overly slow rising or anything, but I like it. So this is the next one, which is also one of my favorites, and it's this little blue bear, and this one was an extra. And it's not that slow rising, but it's really, really cute. So, yeah. So the next squishy I got is from Hobby Lobby, and it is this donut, and here's the little tag. But, yeah, it's pretty slow rising, and it's a Christmas ornament, but yeah. So that is it for my squishy haul, and I did get a lot of squishies. So, yeah. So I will be uploading a lot more now that I'm back from vacation. But, yeah. So, vacation was awesome. I went through the U.S. and then I went up to Niagara Falls. And then, yeah. So, yes. I will be uploading a lot more consistently. So, I will see you guys in my next video. And yeah. Bye. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Oh, never mind. And I'm squishing this really horribly. Next squishy I have is this strawberry squishy, and yeah, focus. Smell, oh, little booty.